Okay, so today, before we start the demo session, right, I would like to introduce myself. So this will be, I will be your course instructor, right? My name is Sasmitha, and I have around 13 years of experience into IT industry. I am currently working as a staff data scientist, right, in one of the leading 500 Fortune 500 company. I have a very rich experience working in different sectors. I started my journey after my BTech as a software engineer. And after working as a software engineer for 7 years, I have gone for my master's. So after completing my master's in computer science in 2016, I got placed as a data scientist based on my research paper, right? I have multiple papers, more than 200 citations. Along with that, recently this year, I have enrolled for the PhD program. So I'm continuing my PhD in Triple IT. Also graduate masters I have done from Triple IT, right? So PhD I'm doing in IoT and edge computing. So majorly I take data science, data engineering, cloud computing related courses. So Python is a kind of very popular, and I found a lot of my students, they are from different background and they need a complete Python kind of tutorial as a prerequisite before jumping into next advanced level courses. So that is the main motto where I thought maybe I can start this Python course, right? Python was included before in my courses, but I just make it separate, right? Now Python I will be taking as a completely separate course. And once you complete this, maybe you can go for the next level. So what I will do is once you know, you can also check me on LinkedIn. So just type my name, Sasmitha, and then data science, though my profile is not updated. I have not updated my profile since long, but yes, so whatever is there, you can find it. Coming back, right, I will share the syllabus, but like most Python syllabus will be same. Having said that, how this course is different. First question is, who can enroll for this course? So what is the prerequisite? So it's absolutely starting from very beginner to a level where you can code yourself, right? You can crack Python interview questions. So this entire course is job-oriented course because I am from industry. So I believe if you're taking a course, you should be job ready, right? So all the modules, assignments, whatever we are practicing here will make you programming standards very, very kind of high level so that you can crack interviews yourself. So we have a lot of hands-on exercise assignments, which I'm going to share with you along with, and in Python and in language courses, hardly there is any theory. So everything is complete hands-on, right? So to start with, we'll start this, who can enroll for this course, right? Like what is the prerequisite? So there is nothing prerequisite, everyone can enroll for this course. Level 0, like let's say you are a school student, you are a college student, BTech first year, second year fresher, you are very experienced, non-technical background, you have worked in different other programming language like Java, Scala, but for the first time you're learning Python, or in your entire life you have not seen any programming, and for the first time you're learning Python. So then also you can enroll because it is from scratch, it's level 0, right? So anyone, so just one line, anyone can enroll for this course. I'm starting the course from very, very initial level. And having said that, it should not be only a beginner level course because beginner level will not help you to crack interviews. So we will start with level 0 and we will go to a level where you can crack Python interview questions, right? Python interview questions, you can clear yourself. Doesn't matter your experience level, any post you are applying for, there will be a coding round. So where they will be giving you a lot of coding questions. It's not very hi-fi or very difficult. Only thing is lack of practice. So you will be forgetting the syntax and you will not be able to kind of complete those. So teaching wise, I have taken Python courses as a visiting faculty in multiple universities like Bangalore, Reva University. As a part-time, I always kind of teaching is my passion. So different engineering colleges I was associated with, a lot of first-year students. Why I'm saying? Because their background is 0, like they don't know anything from scratch. First time they're learning Python, and after the class they loved it, right? They were able to understand 100%. 200, 300, 500 students, if I take out of that, almost everyone were able to understand, right? So Python is a very easy language. It's not me, anybody who is teaching. You will be with little effort. If you complete the hands-on assignments and all, you will be able to understand. It's a very, very easy language to learn, yet it is very popular and very powerful. So why to learn Python and all? I think you definitely have explored before you join this kind of demo session. Just give me 1 minute. Let me open the whiteboard here. It's not properly working. Yeah. So I no need to tell why Python is popular, because it is popular. That's why you're joining this course. So I'll not take much of your time. Initial 15 minutes I will speak. And after I complete, right, you can speak, right? All your questions, all your queries, I will answer. The first thing is you understood who can enroll, right? Who can enroll. So absolutely no requirement. Having said that, many people who already have programming experience, they will be thinking, okay, I will go very slow. I will teach line by line and it is very boring. No, it's not like that. There is a process. If you are from non-technical background and level 0 background, never seen programming before, I will take those students and I will give them some additional materials, right? Or resources related to programming. And I will arrange extra doubt clearing sessions for them so that they will first understand the basics, like what is a programming language is all about, what is high level, what is low level, what is interpreter, what is compiler, what is happening when you write a code, what is happening behind the scene. So all those programming details, I'll help you. Sorry for the bad throat, right? I have a severe cold. So this is what I will do for them. But all other people, we will start from Python installation, right? So syllabus, I will quickly highlight what we are going to cover. So basically this course will give you very, very in-depth information about initial very beginner level modules. Like first is Python installation. Entire syllabus I will share, or maybe I will show you. But Python installation is something which we will start with, right? And then how to execute your first Python code after Python installation. Run Python code, right? From that level, we will start. After running Python code, we will discuss about what is variable, what is function, right? What is variable, what is function, and then what is lambda expression, what is data structure, like list, tuple, set, dictionary, string. After data structure, we will discuss about loops, like what is if-else loop, right? What is your for loop? What is your while loop, right? How to write a for loop, how to write a while loop. So once we complete this module, we have a quiz. So it will be a live quiz session like your coding test. And that is the specialty about this course. I will make you practice, I will complete few modules and make you practice. You will get 2 assignments. Assignments are something which you need to do yourself. Assignments are like questions, so 20 questions. You will get 20 questions. Each assignment will have 10 questions, 20 questions, and solution also will be given by me. So anywhere you are stuck, every day after class 2-3 program, you have to practice, right? Variable function, maybe 5 questions. Data structure, maybe 10 questions. If else, maybe another 5 questions. So once you practice all of these questions at the end of the kind of week, every Saturday, classes are Monday to Saturday. So every Saturday we have coding test. So it's very, I cannot kind of tell you or guarantee you whatever questions you're practicing will come in interview, but it will be a very similar experience. There will be questions will be collected from LeetCode. I personally have solved 300 plus LeetCode questions. So plus I have trained 1,000 plus data scientists, like not data scientists, but data science students I have. So they also have shared a lot of interview questions with me. So what I will do is Saturday, there will be a 1 hour coding test for everyone. And there will be 4 questions and every question will be 15 minutes, right? And these are from LeetCode, right? So you have to, right? You have to complete the codes test. And then I will kind of tell you the solution, right? After end of the course, or maybe in Monday, we'll discuss the solution of this coding test. So this is how, and then after we complete this, next session we will start is something called your advanced modules, right? So we will start with file handling after we do this. I'm not talking about details. So in data structure, you will be learning about list. So in list, again, detail, right? What is a list, how to create a list, indexing, selection. And then we will discuss operations. So how to append, how to add elements, delete element, replace element, list operations, copy, copy, index, right? Lot of operations. Set, what is property of a set, right? How to do set operations, intersection, union. So every detail about the data structure we will see. I'm just telling at high level, detail I'm not going, right? But we will cover in detail. So list, set, dictionary, and kind of your string, right? And then we have this tuple. So 5 data structure we will see. Now, once you complete this first module, we will be going for second module where you will learn about file handling. So what is file handling? File handling, how to open a file, close a file, read, write operation, lot of things we will discuss. After file handling, we have exception handling. There is a exception or error, how to handle it, right? Again, I will discuss, and then you have assignment, right? So from this, you have one assignment, right? One assignment from both of this module. And after this file handling and exception handling, we have other things like decorators, generators, and all. And we have our Saturday. When Saturday comes, we have our second coding test. In Saturday, we have our second coding test. With this, I will also talk about a package called NumPy. What is NumPy? NumPy is a mathematical package. So using NumPy, you will get arrays, which will help you to, arrays are called matrix and vectors. So using that, we can do a lot of linear algebra. I'm preparing yourself, I'm preparing you to the next level, right? If you're going for data science or data analyst or data engineer or any other course, you need these packages. So we are learning here. So again, not detailed, but NumPy is a huge module. A lot of topics are there, like how to create an array. What do you mean by an array? Array functions, right? What is B stack? What is H stack? How to join different arrays together. Now, a lot of modules are there. I'm not going detail, but NumPy we will see. And then we have second coding test in the Saturday. And NumPy will have one more assignment, right? Every topic you have assignment, right? And assignments are not copy pasted from Google. It is collected. Obviously, I cannot generate questions myself. I have also collected from internet, but these are quality questions. You will get it from LeetCode and other very quality based on company. I have very, very important questions I have selected, right? Okay. Now coming to the third module, which is nothing but your object and class module. So object and class is very necessary concept because Python is an object-oriented programming language. So we have to understand what is an object, what is a class, how to create an object. All of those details you will understand. And then we have our last module called Pandas. So Pandas is a very important module. 70% of your data analysis. And if you are giving 100 hours to a project in data science, 70 hours is Pandas you can use for data analysis. So what is Pandas? Detail you will know when you enroll for this course. Pandas itself is a huge module. It will take 15 days, 10 to 12 days, at least 2 weeks only to complete Pandas. It's such a huge module. Every detail and my thing is I don't attract people by telling 100 of syllabus. I can see like everything is there. So, but touching surface, that is not going to help you. So 2 things will help you. One thing is the width and also the depth. For me, depth is more important than width. Means what? If I will be recruiting someone, if somebody is honestly telling, I don't know exception handling. If you give me time, I will learn. But I know Pandas. I know, let's say, I know file handling. If I'm saying I know means I know, right? Any level of question, if I will ask, I should be able to answer, right? That gives confidence to the recruiter who is recruiting. Instead of saying I know everything in Python, right, and not able to answer even little difficult questions, it's better to tell what you know and able to answer, right, when somebody is asking. So we are covering here this way, right, not this way. So I'm not going to, like, there are a lot of other modules like Django, Flask and all, that's a different track, web development, we are not covering. In Python, we have other modules, data science, like SQL or machine learning, deep learning, that is the next course. But this much Python is necessary for every course, So Python is a kind of language which is used in every sector. Like as a data scientist, we use Python in our company. I have seen my colleagues who are data engineer. I myself was a data engineer. So that time also I was using Python. DevOps using Python, right? Coming back to blockchain using Python. IoT, I'm working in IoT in my PhD work. Again, Python. Go to cloud, Python. Big data analytics, PySpark, Python, right? So you go to any sector, software engineering, simple development, right? Flask, Django, web development framework. So again, Python. So Python is everywhere. Without Python, you cannot go anything, anywhere. So this is the first foundation, right, on which you can build your kind of next future or next career. So after learning Python, you have a lot of career track. Just now I told you, you can work as a data analyst. You can work as a data engineer. You can work as a data scientist. You can work as a DevOps engineer, right? Obviously, with Python, you have to learn a lot of things, but Python is the basic language. You can go for big data analytics. You can go for cloud computing. You can go for blockchain, right? You can go for IoT or blockchain related things, right? You can go for simple software engineering, right? Or maybe web development, I can say, right? So a lot of different domains are there after Python. For anything that you go, anywhere you go, these are the basic building block or basic module. Python installation, Python running, variable, function, data structure, list, tuple, set, dictionary, if, else, for, while, file handling, exception handling, and then pandas, numpy, which is little towards data analysis side. And then we have OOPS concept, object-oriented programming. So these are very, very, very helpful modules. I have not included UI because in companies, we hardly use those UIs, that is outdated. Either we go for Flask, Django, which is web framework. Otherwise, we don't use static web widgets, right? So mostly that's why I have excluded it. And instead of that, I have included pandas and numpy, which is very, very important. Prioritizing, if I have to do pandas, is much more important, right? And you will get a bonus recording. For what? You will get bonus recording from my site. I'll give you my own recordings for these things, for Python visualization. So it's a very, very interesting kind of domain. So you will get Plotly, how to understand Python visualization using Plotly, Matplotlib and Seaborn. So almost like 9 hours, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So what it will give you, I will show you now. So using Matplotlib, Seaborn and Plotly, you can create nice charts. So charts are important. So again, detail you will know once you see the syllabus and once you enroll for the course, or maybe in the next demo, I will show you. So visualization, bonus recording you will get, and extra modules, what you will get, regular expression. So regular expression is a difficult topic, pattern matching. I myself, when I was a fresher, right, when I was in my BTech final year, or maybe master's, I don't know where, but this topic was like kind of lot of, I spent almost 10-12 hours on internet to kind of understand, and I was understanding, but the thing is, it's so kind of lot of modules are there. So practice problem, I did not get much. So what I did is I just spent almost 3 days, and then whatever summarized content, I have my own note, right, which will give you the best lecture for regular expression, which is one of the most difficult topic. And with that, you will get practice problem. 10 questions I will solve, right? Somebody simply can skip the entire regular expression module and directly go to 10 questions while solving. If you just look at my answers or solutions, you will 100% understand the regular expression part. So which is again a 5-hour content. So regular expression is 5 hours. And again, I'm not, see, there are 2 things. One is quality and one is quantity. So I think if you are teaching quality, if you are giving quality content, 30 minutes of quality content is better than 2 hours of quantity content, right? Because the quality content will help you to crack interviews. It's not like stretching for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. It's not going to help. If you go to Udemy courses, people are so organized. Within 5 hours, 9 hours, 20 hours, they are delivering very high level topics, very, very difficult topics. I think 30 hours is a very, very decent, if you are utilizing your time properly. You can be expert in Python. And trust me, it's not a kind of something which I'm just like that telling. It's from my experience, I'm saying. Entire core Python, I have learned myself within 2 hours. So it's so easy because Python is deadly easy language, right? It's once you know the topic, how much you're practicing, based on that, your success is depending. So what we will do is Monday to Saturday, we will have class, except Sunday. Every day we have class. Monday to Friday, we have regular class. And Saturday, you have coding test. In all together, this is around 1.5 months course, right? And we are going to see everyday class. So we have around 7 coding tests, right? We have 7 weekends. So almost 6 to 7 coding tests you will get. Each coding test, 4 questions, very high level, like exactly you will feel like you will remember me when you go for real-time coding test of real interviews. You will feel the same vibe here, right? When you attend the coding test, same kind of question level will be there, right? And along with that, you will get each module wise around 7 to 8 assignments. Total, you will get 70 to 80 questions. Each assignment will have 10 questions to practice. Plus, you're going to get 15 hours of bonus recording from my data science class. That is visualization, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then Pandas. Apart from that, next, if you're enrolling for data science under me, we have regular batches. I'm with DURGASOFT for last 3 years. 16-20 batches of data science I have completed, almost like more than 1,000 plus students, right? Only in data science in DURGASOFT. So what I can say you is, it will be much more easier for you because already you know Python just by learning statistics, machine learning, and other modules like cloud, how to deploy in AWS, and deep learning, you can kind of go to the next level. Also, you can go to the other instructors to learn DevOps or any other technology that you are interested in after taking this course, right? So this is all about the course fees. We have kept very, very minimal so that I might not be kind of taking a lot of Python courses. Maybe a few batches I will take, and I will provide recordings to all other batches. So it is really going to be very, very detailed and interactive, also with doubt clearing sessions, right? So it's not like one way of communication. I believe in giving access to the students to ask doubts. Otherwise, there are a lot of one-way communication related courses available online, free of cost. Why somebody will enroll, paying, right? 2 things, 2 benefit you will get. Number 1 benefit is, while you are enrolling for a course, instructor like you who has 10-15 years in the same field, they have struggled like you, right? I have also struggled like you when I was a fresher. And they will share their experience. They will help you to complete the same thing in lesser amount of time. They will give you, it's like you read a book yourself and understand, and somebody will tell you the story of that book. Maybe if you read, it will take 10 hours. Somebody is telling you the summarized story, even though very elaborate way he's saying, maybe within 30 minutes you will understand. The gist is same, isn't it? Same thing. So your Python course will finish faster. If you go with me, your syllabus will finish faster and you will be job ready sooner as compared to you learn yourself, right? Second thing is you will understand what is happening in the industry. What level is okay? What level of interview questions they will ask? What is expected, right, from you? What is the experience level, and to what experience level, what is the salary expectation? How to write all of these projects or whatever you are doing in your CV, right? How to prepare a CV. Next, what career options after taking this Python course? What next you should go for? What is the difference? All of these things you can ask me, right? And that is the benefit. And it's just 5,000 rupees. I think it's the minimal amount that we are charging here. And you will get a lot of benefit after taking this course. You have 8 to 9 career paths wherever you want to go, you can go ahead. You're going for data science course and you have taken this Python course, you might get some discounts also from DURGASOFT while you're enrolling for your next data science course, right? So I will pause here. As I said, the detailed syllabus, you can go ahead, you can check. So again, let me repeat, Monday to Saturday, we have regular classes, one hour every day. And the course, the duration will be, first week will be demo sessions. And in the demo sessions, we will go slow, but it's not like other things I will talk. Just we'll start with the content, but little slow we will go first week. After that, 1 hour we will continue. And so the syllabus is basically the core Python and a bit about other advanced modules like functions, variable, loops, data structure, file handling, exception handling, NumPy, pandas, object and class, OOPS concept. A bonus, you are getting plotly, matplotlib, seaborn, and your other concepts like your regular expression, right? And along with that, 7 coding tests, and you have 70-80 questions to practice, right? Fine. So I will be pausing myself here, stopping, right? Any questions do you want me to ask?
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Shrikant.
Yeah, hi, Srikant.
Ma'am, I'm planning to learn data science.
Yes.
I'm waiting for your batch. It will start on 22nd.
Yes.
Is it required to pre-required for learn Python, or else is it okay for continue with data science? I mean, there is a Python.
No. The syllabus will change.
Okay.
So times the syllabus will be changing.
Okay.
So initially, Python was there, right, in the syllabus for Python part. So
Okay.
I'm going to take that out, right? Whoever is enrolling next batch onwards, the data science, Python will be given as recorded sessions. I will start from NumPy. I will cover Python, but I will not cover core Python. What I felt is 90% of my students who are there for data science, they already know core Python concepts and they don't need it, right? It's a kind of repetition. So detail you will find in this course.
Okay.
High level kind of revision I will do in that data science course, because we have a lot of other important modules now. Better spend time in those. We have statistics, machine learning, cloud computing, lot of advanced topics. So in data science, pandas, NumPy will be there, visualization will be there, but core Python I will take it out. So first module.
Okay.
Purpose is going to change. So if you are going for data science, I will suggest you to enroll for Python here. And it will be along with Python, it will be 20,000, not more, right? 20 or 21. So 16, I think, for data science, and Python only 5,000. So 21 is the nominal fee you can see in like internet, it is available. I will suggest go for both. So Python you learn parallelly, in detail, in depth, and data science also you can go ahead.
Okay. What was the class timing, Python?
Python class timing 8:30 to 9:30. 8:15 to 9:15. Not
8:15 to 9:15.
Yes. Data will be 7:15 to 8:15.
Okay. I mean, class timing, start timings, Python.
Start, we will start next week. Mostly it will be demo because a lot of people could not join, right? Demo in the sense, initially 2-3 days, we will not start anything, just we will start with the installation and all, but Thursday onwards we'll start with the content. So timing will be 8:15 next Monday or Tuesday onwards. Monday it's a holiday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tuesday onwards there is a Python class, and also 22nd also there is a data science class.
22nd it is demo class, so it will be shifted to 7:15. It's not 8:15.
Okay.
7:15 class.
Okay, can I join simultaneously?
Yes, you can. It is recommended to join simultaneously. See,
Okay.
I tell you why I have done this. I am in industry, so based on the industry requirement, I keep changing my content.
Okay.
So what happening nowadays is a data scientist has to know other modules of Python like OOPS, mostly object class and other concepts, right? Even though you're joining the data scientist, you should be knowing other modules along with pandas, NumPy, core Python. You should know Python OOPS concept, your other modules, exception handling, file handling. Why? Have you heard MLOps, machine learning operations? So they're telling the data scientists to deploy the models. So when it's coming to deploy, it is like DevOps. So development environment, you have to know a bit about it, not expert. You should know GitHub a bit, right? You should know. So when you go to production environment, the code will be written in a package format, right? Have you seen package module? So in that module, different files will be there, main function will be there, where you will call. So if you have no idea about object and class, even if you're a data scientist, you will feel little difficulty understanding others' code, right? So that's why what I did is I have made this Python course completely separate. You learn Python in depth, whatever is needed, right? It's a very generic course. Wherever you are going, this much is needed. So, and data science, I have made it separate. In data science, we have other important modules. Like you can see check the syllabus, and more on that, I will talk about it on 22nd in the demo session, right?
Is it okay for, I will join this course, Python, and also
Yes.
I will join 22nd on data science also.
Yes, you should. Everybody should do that. So whoever wants to learn data science, I will tell them to join Python course.
On that time,
I will accept.
It will not compete for NumPy and Pandas.
Sorry, it will not?
On that time, there is a basics I can complete within 1 week.
Yes.
Is it okay for data science? In data science, there is advanced topics.
No. See, advanced topic for data science, right? Python is Python.
Okay.
So there is nothing advanced. Advanced topics are from data science side. Like we have machine learning, that is advanced topic. We have deep learning, that is advanced. But how to code? Python is the language. Python is standard for everyone.
Okay.
So Python modules are same, whether you are a blockchain engineer, cloud engineer, big data analytics, data scientist, data engineer, DevOps, software, everybody will learn this variable, function, data structure, file handling, exception handling, object-oriented concepts. At least this modules, pandas, all of those things are common across different horizontal things, vertical things, right? So I will suggest, doesn't matter where you want to go, software engineering, web development, cloud computing, blockchain, data analyst, data engineer, whatever you want to do in your career next, enroll for this course only for 5,000, and your foundation will be clear, right? And one more thing I will tell you, even if you are going for any other role, have you heard about data structure interview questions? They will ask you, definitely coding test they will do, not blindly they will take you.
Okay.
It will be on Python. So you'll be rejected in the first round only. If you select, then only you will go to the second, third, fourth round, right? First round is Python coding test.
Okay.
So this module and coding test, you go to LeetCode, you ask any of your friends, ask them the coding test questions. This is the syllabus from where you will get questions, right? So this is kind of a universal course, like you are learning first ABCD, then you are learning the kind of like how to read books. So this is kind of ABCD for every domain, whatever you want to become next. This is the foundation course, right? Having said that, this is very in-depth, so you'll be expert in this. And my classes are very interactive. You attend 2-3 classes, you will know the quality and the way of teaching, and what I am delivering, you will be understanding, right? So I will suggest everyone to attend 2-3 classes.
Already I heard, your videos in YouTube. That's why I'm waiting for your classes.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, can I join simultaneously data science and Python?
Yes, you can. You should join parallelly. That's every time data science course is starting, 1 week or 2 weeks before we will start Python.
Okay, and I thought 16th onwards there is a Python classes.
Yes, there is Python class 16 onwards.
Yeah.
So Tuesday, see, I'll clear it, right? No need to be confused. Okay. So 16th onwards, that is Tuesday, we have Python class at 8:15.
Yes, ma'am.
And 22 onwards, we have data science class 7:15 onwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, course content, Python course content.
Python course content. Yes, I will share it with DURGASOFT, you can see.
Ma'am?
Yeah. So mostly this is the content, but detailed topic I have to write, right? File handling, what all things. Detailed topic I'll say, but this is what I am going to cover. Variable functions, data structure, if, else, for, while, file handling, exception handling, NumPy, pandas, object-oriented class concept, and you will get bonus like matplotlib, Seaborn and all, followed by your regular expression. What is the cream of this course? The assignment questions that you're getting and the coding test that I'm conducting. That is the like kind of main practice problem, you can say. And don't hesitate irrespective of your background. Don't hesitate to ask doubts, even if it is very silly. If you're not able to understand after telling one time also, you can wait. After the class is over, I will explain, or maybe separate, mostly Saturdays after the coding class, right? People whose doubts are not clear, you can ask doubts, we can discuss, right? Fine. So, okay, so I think any other question? We are all good? Okay. Fine. So let's connect on Monday, sorry, Tuesday, 16th, and we'll continue, right? Okay. Happy Independence Day in advance, and happy long weekend. Enjoy. We'll connect on Monday, Tuesday. Thank you.